Hello friends, in this video we will see what is an intent, difference between explicit and implicit intent. Intent is a way to communicate with different Android components. Intent is a class. There are two types of intent, explicit and implicit intent. You will not find in Android any class like explicit intent or implicit intent. You will only find intent. It depends on the uses of the intent whether it is an explicit intent or implicit intent. In the time of creating an intent, when we directly specify who will handle the intent, then it is called explicit intent. And when we do not directly specify who will handle the intent, then it is called implicit intent. For example, when we start a new activity, we need to use intent. In the intent, we directly specify that we want to open a particular activity. So this is an example of explicit intent. And if we want to share a text message with other apps, then also we need to use intent. Here we do not directly tell the intent who will handle the intent. Any available app, for example WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, etc. could handle the intent. So this is called implicit intent. Let's see with example. We will open Android Studio, new project, empty view activity, give a name to the project, language Kotlin. We will go to the main activity XML file. Here I have created a text view with text main activity and two buttons, explicit intent example and implicit intent example. On clicking explicit intent example button, we will start a new activity, and on clicking implicit intent example button, we will see an example of implicit intent. Because we will start a new activity, so first we need to create another activity. Right click in the package where main activity is there, new activity, empty views activity. Activity name, second activity, language Kotlin. In the second activity XML file, we are creating a text view with text second activity. In the main activity, in explicit intent and implicit intent button, I have set on-click listener. Inside explicit intent example button, on-click listener, I am creating an intent. First parameter context this, and in the second parameter, we are directly telling the intent which activity it has to open. It is second activity. Then start activity, and in the parameter passing the intent. In implicit intent button on-click listener, we will create an intent. We will give the intent a text message. We will tell the intent to find apps in the user's mobile which could show the text message. For this, we will create an intent with no parameters. Intent type text/plain. Intent action intent.action send. Intent put extra, first parameter intent.extra text, and in second parameter we are passing the message that we want to share, hello intent. Then start activity, and in the parameter passing the intent. Here we have not explicitly tell the intent who will show the text message. Intent itself will find the apps in the user's mobile which could show the text message. Let's run the app. On clicking explicit intent example button, second activity starts. And on clicking implicit intent example button, we are getting the option of the apps available in my mobile which could show the text message. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please like this video and please subscribe to the channel to keep watching my videos like this. See you in a different video. Till then, bye and take care.